Honey, how do you want those eggs? Over easy?
No. Then why are you hitting me? Hey, I thought I was hitting you. But I thought you didn't. Hey. 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 I don't know what he's doing. Man, I was just minding my own business. What am I supposed to do? I'm getting revenge for Prowling Lion 3. Dun dun. Okay. Yeah, pretty much the same as Go. Good view, people? That a good view? Okay. Good. Got him right in the snail. Prowling Lion! 3! You know what I mean. Or... No, 3! No, war! Prowling Lion, war! Attack 3! Oh, my face! Clear textbook. Hey, you should be dead by now! Are you having another medication attack? Oh, yeah, I'm dead. No medication? Don't you want your medication before you die? I'm doing a surprise attack. Oh. Okay, I'll pretend like I didn't hear that. I'm not dead! No. Wait, get your medication. I want to have some too. No, why not? Come on, medication's fun. No, please. It's really drugs. Okay. JK, it's really medication. Yes. Looks like I got my revenge. You know how I got back up from the dead before? He's a zombie! He's dead now. Prowling Lion attack 3. Over! He might be dead. He might not be. What do you think? I'm having my final twitches. It's bad hand.